Once you've created your application, you will need to log in under Log into Existing Application. Enter your username and password and click Login. Your My Application page will list your account information, including your name, email, username, application type, exam date if applying under Rule 6, the date you created your application, and the date your application will expire. If you have not submitted your application within 2 years of the creation date, you will need to create a new application. At the top of the page, you will also find a Resources button that will take you to specific areas of the Board of Law Examiners website to help answer any questions you may have. The My Account button displays your account information and provides you the opportunity to change your application type or exam date along with your password. The Contact button will provide you with contact information for the Board of Law Examiners. Please note that all links within the application to the Board's website will open in a new tab within your browser. On the left-hand side is a navigation bar. In the navigation, you can see which sections and pages are incomplete, as indicated by the orange triangle. The green circle with a check mark inside of it means the section or page is complete. If there is no icon, it means you have not yet started that section. To get started, click on Section 1, Applicant. The first page of each section provides an overview of what is contained within each section. Every page of the application where you provide information has a Save Progress button, as well as a Save and Continue button. The application does not auto-save, so be sure to save your work frequently. Within the application, an asterisk means the field or question is required in order to submit the application. Fields without an asterisk may not apply to every situation or every applicant, but where applicable are not optional. If a unique situation causes a required field to be inapplicable, briefly explain or type NA. If you find the text within the application to be too small, use the display settings within your internet browser to adjust the text size on your monitor. If an upload is required but you do not yet have the document, you will need to add a comment regarding where you are at in the process of acquiring the document you need to upload. If no such document exists, briefly explain or type NA. PDFs are the only file format that will be accepted, and the maximum file size is 15 megabytes. If you have photos or word processed documents to provide, recent versions of Windows and Mac OS have built-in Save as PDF or Print to PDF functionality to create PDFs. Please note that many phone scanning apps produce very large file sizes and may not be conducive to use for scanning paperwork to upload in this application. You can review the PDF version of your application at any time before submitting it by going to Section 13.02 and clicking on the Review Application PDF button. Once all questions have been answered and you have reviewed the final PDF version of your completed application, you will be able to print, sign, and upload the certifications and signature PDF. Once you have uploaded this final PDF, your application will be locked for editing. This will allow you to move on to the final payment and submission section. Here, you can also download a signed copy of your application. When submitting the application fee, you will be redirected to U.S. Bank Secure Payment Site. Credit card information and banking information is not stored by the board. The application cannot be submitted without payment of fee. After you have submitted payment, you will receive a confirmation email from U.S. Bank. Once you have submitted your application and it has been accepted by the board, you will receive an email notifying you that you have a new post in your applicant portal. You can find the applicant portal on the board's website at www.ble.mn.gov. Click on the applicant portal on the top left of the screen and log in using the same username and password you used to log into your online application. You may upload any new documents to your applicant portal after submitting your application. Board staff may also post requests for additional information there. Be sure to check out additional videos for more detailed information on specific topics such as the employment section, entering non-US addresses, requesting test accommodations, and more.